Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change lock screen on your Android. So you can customize this lock display wallpaper on your Android. So first thing to do, you can set your wallpaper on your lock screen by tap on personalization on your settings. Choose wallpaper. Then you can choose from your local album or recently used. For example, this one. So you can apply. You can choose lock screens or both home and lock screens. For example, a lock screen. Now every time you lock the screen, the wallpaper it's a change. And of course you can create or customize your lock screen, your wallpaper of your lock screen by using third-party app. You can search on Play Store, lock screen, Android. Here we go. There is some colorful widget and magazine lock screen, or you can use iOS lock screen on your Android phone, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the text button below. See you in the next video.